Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Super Slime Bliz again, and I don't think anybody watched that one because I'm not technically because I'm going to let you guys watch this. I got this skipped it last time.
Slime-covered obstacle course. Come on down.
Yeah.
Food truck for errands.
So okay. We unlocked him and Rocky in the last video. So let's just let's hit 200 coins. Right now I have 39. That's probably gonna be hard. Okay, let's go. Oh, grab that coin. There's a key. And to that door that gives me more coins. Okay, oh yeah. I guess I don't think you've ever seen these gears before, have you? Oh crap. Oh yes. Good thing I escaped. I don't think that this would get me a lot of coins, but this still gives us coins. It gives like 90. It gave us like 93 coin. It gave us 93 coins. No, 94 coins. It gave us 94 coins. Okay. Breaking this. Breaking some crates. I'm gonna wait. There we go. I was like. And there we go.
Okay. It's over here.
That would be like pretty funny if I just like everybody would just like just get hit by the spikes and the slime ball at the exact same time. That would be pretty funny. And also pretty explainable. Oh, 208. I don't have much coins after I spend it on another character. I'll have 8 coins. So I'm just gonna play this till I get a lot of coins from where I am now. Oh crap! Yes. I feel like when right here we'll get like a lot of coins. I got 248. Yeah, that did. Okay, first I'm gonna play as Rocky. I'm just gonna play as Rocky, then I'll get another character. So okay. Nope. Okay. Hey, oh. There we go. Now let's get another character. They got Indian or whatever his name is. I can't really. I mean, and I'm gonna call him Aaron because I have no idea what his name is. I mean, I do know what his name is, but I just can't pronounce it right. Because I don't think I'm pronouncing it right. I think I am. Okay. Oh, dang it. So I get distracted, and yeah. Let's go. Okay. Dang it, I tried to get a key, but really I did not. I'm gonna go this way because there's a coin. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go on this thing. I'm just gonna to the top. Okay, that's just cool. Why did it just lead us straight to the top and just? Why did it just straight? Why did it just lead us straight to the top? A flying slime hit me. Yeah, that's not fair, game. Oh, there's a key. I want that key. So, yeah, I got a key. Now let me just go to the door. Go to a door. What should I can unlock with that key? Oh crap! Oh, here's the door. Here's the door. Here's the door. Here's the door. I don't think this will get us a lot of coins for where we are either, but why not? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. 154. Dang. Oh. There you go. Gone. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna get hit by that spike right there. I don't want to. I mean, I'm just toast. You know what'd be funny? Like, when I just like go up. Oh crap! I was going too fast. I didn't even know that the spike just right up on me. I didn't even know. I was just like going so fast. Like, I gotta go. I gotta go, and then boom! I just got hit by a spike. I was trying to beat our score, like what we did last time. About 23. My high score is 23. Oh, whatever. I only have 198. I just need a couple more coins, and I'll be able to get the next character, which I'm pretty sure is like that banana guy. I can't remember. Oh, there's a key. Now I just gotta get more coins with this key. It'd be funny if like you can like unlock stuff. I mean, you can unlock characters, boost, and trails, but now unlock stuff. It'd be cool if you could like unlock power-ups. Like you do in Minion Rush. Like you do in Minion Rush, for example. No, I had fun breaking crates. Probably other people's crates, but wait, who puts coins in crates? Who does that? I have no idea. I have no idea who puts money in crates. Like, okay. Let's go. Oh, we really got him for like 13 minutes so far. That's pretty good. Oh, I just gotta, there you go, and, oh, cool, another key. I mean, you can only get, and you only, let's go. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, there's a door. Get that door.